Hello and welcome to the channel The BI Nerd. In this Power BI video we will learn ifand DAX function. In ifand DAX function we will give conditions for both sales and revenue column. Click on the new column icon. I will name my column as ifand statement DAX. Let's write the formula equal to if and sales greater than 10 and revenue greater than 1,000. Then return the value as good sales. If the condition is not true, then return value as poor sales. We have now created a new column using the ifand statement. The new column now returns the